All right, all right. Good evening, good evening, good evening. How's everybody doing out there? Let's go. Trying to rip it up here at the moment. We need to get some screens situated, so bear with me for a minute. Thought I had the stream set up earlier. I guess not. I think I forget to hit save or something. Now, if we look right here at 8 o'clock, what's significant about 8 o'clock as we're ripping up? We have the Nikkei opened up. Wow, Nikkei actually got down. Cosby also got down, and now we're ripping up. Hey, BK, Bob, what's up? What's up? Slice of Zard. Let's get it. So I thought I had the stream set up before I went out on the e-foil today. Man, oh man, you guys missed it. Let's see if I can find it. I'll show you guys. I'll show you. Let me see. So here you can see me on the e-foil right there. That's what I did this afternoon after the stream. Out there riding the e-foil on the water. Hey, TF, good evening. So, a little bit of fun out there today. So that was fun stuff. Fun. Probably gonna try to go out again Friday and Saturday maybe. So we had a little dip down and now we're ripping right back up. If we look at where we are in the regression channels, I'm sorry, within the VWAP bands, we're up here at the third band on the ES. I don't really want to be a buyer right here, even though we may go higher. And we look over here on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ came down towards that second band, ripped right back up to the second band. So yeah, I kind of got to hold off for a moment before placing any further trades. So we'll see. This morning was a little bit rough for me. Started off decent, went green to red, got back to green. I think I closed at or near session highs. And then I was in a micro trade from this morning. I had to DCA into it around 12:30 and basically got out of that for a couple dollars maybe. So I didn't make much on that trade, unfortunately. So we have P point lower. Yeah, I haven't had a chance to look over all the charts yet, BK. I got home. We went out to dinner from e-foiling. Went out to dinner. Went swimming in the pool with my daughter for a little bit. And then I'm back hanging out with you guys. You guys and gals. Hey, don't forget, smash that lucky like button here. I'm going to do it before I forget myself. I need to make sure I get my luck out there. Oh, man. Looks like I'm going to be number one. Am I really number one on the like? Or is YouTube not counting them correctly? Oh no, we got 11 likes. YouTube was slacking on counting them. All right. So we'll see. Now, if we look over here on the 4-hour charts, do we invalidate the potential for an ABC pattern right here, a smaller one? Yes, the smaller ABC pattern right here, invalidated, but we still have the potential for this much larger ABC pattern. It is not invalidated yet. So the potential ABC pattern that I was hoping for today, where we come down, we make a higher low, and then we simply rock it up. We had too deep of a retracement here for that. Hey, Tom, what's up? So I'm not going to be looking for that move. Not looking for that. So too bad, too sad. Too bad, too sad. Where did that go to? Yeah, I don't know if you... Where'd it go? I don't know if you guys seen the current sale Apex has. Intraday, no activation fee account, $49 all in. Cheapest 50K account out there right now. Apex. It's the intraday drawdown. $49, no activation fee. That's crazy good. I might end up picking some up and just trade them on stream a little bit. See if I can add to my collection, my inventory of accounts. So I want to be on the lookout. Can we come back up and break above here and really rip? If we come back up here again, the odds increase that we're going to rip up and out of that area. I'm curious. Let's go check on some things real quick. Got a lot of windows open. There we go. So if we look right here, what's on the calendar for tomorrow? Well, tonight and tomorrow. What do you have for tonight? Anything? Not really. Not really. Tomorrow we have the weekly unemployment claims, core retail sales, Philly Fed coming out. Yeah, some FOMC members speaking. Ooh, Trump's going to be speaking tomorrow night. That could be fun for us. Oh, man. Oh, man. Tomorrow night. Let's get it. That could be a fun one. Just in time for the Asia session. I am kind of curious. How did the Fear and Grid Index end up closing out today? Let's go look. At 46, we closed in neutral territory. And I want to see, does the Cosby start coming back up? If not, that's going to be a problem. And SMH was really dragging the markets down today. SMH, it did come back. SMH bounced pretty good off that low. Count Dracula voice. Did my voice sound all jacked up? Maybe. I don't know if it does or not. I gotta see if I get this fixed too. So we'll see. But SMH didn't have a good day today. And I'm kind of curious if we back out of this. I want to see how everything. I want to see how they finished out today. If we look at the I want to go see how they finished. Let's go look at the stocks in the NASDAQ. How'd they finish out today? So Nvidia was up 0.33. Apple was up 4 points or 4%. Meta up 3%. Microsoft up 2.78. Google up 3%. So we had Tesla and SpaceX down. Amazon up 3%. And look over here. MU down. Micron down 8%. AMD down 3.5 almost. Intel down almost 4.5. Yeah, this sector right here not doing so good. SanDisk did come off the lows. It was down 12% on stream this morning. Looks like it finished out down 8%. Interesting. Very interesting. Your number one, BK? Oh, yeah. Let's go look at the P points real quick. So, hey, it was funny. Today we did hit the P point. Yeah, we already hit the P point on the NQ. What about ES? Yeah, ES has a P point down here. If we look today, we did make it down there and sweep that P point today. We do have an untested point of control as well, BK. Right here at 76.07 1/4. But I'm kind of in the camp where I think we're going to be trying to push up here. So if we look at this on the 4-hour chart, here's what I'm watching on the S&P for the bigger picture. All right, we have the potential for this target 76.88, and we have a point of control just below us at 76.86. Now, do I think we get there tomorrow? We could. It's within the reach of the average range. Hey, Spaces, good evening. So it's within the reach of making it there, but we really got to get, before I want to get too aggressive on that target up there, we got to clear that swing point right here. So we got to get above 28.75. So one thing I did notice tonight, so I was going back over and look at some of these GEX levels, and on the SPX, if you guys remember, we had a lot of gamma being built out at 757 and then 760. 760, we still got a lot of gamma, but that 757, it kind of came off a little bit. They pulled that back just a bit. And look down here below us. We have a lot of gamma down here at 750. But on the SPY, I think we're trying to go to 760. And what does that look like over here? Put SPY on the daily. 760 pushes above this recent area. Doesn't quite get us to all-time highs, though. So I want to be on the lookout. Do we get more gamma being built out above us? Right now, the answer is no. So KD's been talking about 800 for a while. So if we do break above 760, SPY could be on its path towards 800. That's a very real possibility. but we'll see. We'll see how it all shakes out. Tonight, we got plenty of time. So I'm still favoring the upside, which means I don't really want to be short here at the moment. Don't want to be short. Not yet. We're going to see if we can get another dip down and wait for a good buying opportunity personally, but oh crap, I hit the wrong button. Oops. So trying to scroll through and see what did I miss for news today. Iran military spokesperson, U.S. adherence to memorandum and enforcement of Iranian rules of the Straits of Hormuz essentially is essential to reopen the waterway. Interesting. Disabled. I want to look at oil tonight too. What's oil doing? Let's go look real quick. Crude oil. If we're dealing with Middle East stuff, what is crude oil doing? Not much. Crude oil is actually trying to head down a little bit here tonight. We already had it spike down once. Crude oil did close near the New York session highs. Hey, Chris. What's up? What's up? New highs on the NASDAQ. Yeah, so I said I didn't want to short it up here at these bands. Want to see if we can ride it a little bit longer. Feels like one green day, it's a green. It's green, next day red. Next day green, so on, so on. Yeah. Lucid back up 29% after yesterday's rumor. No, I did not, Bob. I did not get one. I don't think I reset Ninja. Let's see if I did. Let's see. And what numbers am I running off of? Yeah, I'm running on 40. 40 on the NASDAQ. I did not get a trade detector bubble. Did you get one, Bob? I did not. Well, we're still trying to push up here. Hopefully I keep it on going. Go, go, go. Push, push, push. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Again, I'm not in a trade right now, so I can afford to wait. I don't have to hurry up and rush it. One thing we got to rush to do is smash that lucky like button. That's it. Everything else is eh. I did, but I'm set at what, Bob? What are you set at? You're set at 60 and you got one? Huh. You should have got one at 60, Bob. That's weird. Hey, is that MNQ, Bob, or NQ? Hey, Adam, what's up? What's up? Oh, MNQ? Oh, that might be different then. Hold on. Let me put it on the MNQ chart because you got me curious. Let me see. Order flow. I'm smacking it down pretty good. That's why I said I'd really be short. I don't want to be short because I'm still favoring the upside. Oh, hey, Bob, I didn't get one on the MNQ. Oh, wait, it's still calculating. I hope that's not going to lock up my charts. Hey, Bob, I didn't get one. With it set at 60, I didn't. Let's see. Indicator. We'll put it. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Hold on. Hold up. It defaulted to 100. Hold on. Let's let it recalculate. Oh, hey, Brutal, you're welcome. Thanks for coming out and supporting the channel. I appreciate it. Brutal had the fastest duck out there today. BK said he didn't get one out either, Bob. I still calculate. Oh, I did. Hey, BK, on the M and Q, I did. M and Q, that's what Bob's looking at right here. I did. All right, 40, set at 40, I did get one. But when I'm looking for the trade detector bubbles, even if I was going to trade the M and Q, I'd still look for the signal off the NQ. Well, because that's where the bigger players are going to be. How many days am I putting in? I only need 1 day. All right, right back to the opening price. Hey, right back down to the view app too. So pretty good smackdown. Anybody that caught that short, congrats. Called it out up here at the bands, but I said I didn't want to do that. I'm favoring more the long. I wanted to wait for the pullback before going long. So, oh, he sent me a text. Yeah, Bob, on the MAQ, I got it. MAQ, I did get it. On the NQ, I did not. So I want to see, can we come down to that second deviation band? 983. I'm going to be looking for potential rejections to go back the other way. The question is, do I play that with micros or should I play it with the NQ? I don't know yet. I don't know. Again, if you guys did not hear, Apex, massive sale. Intraday, 50K accounts. No activation fee. $49 all in. Jeez. Never seen Apex have that big of a discount. Ever. So that's pretty beast mode. Fibonacci, it's good enough for retracement. Yeah, maybe I want a little bit more. I want to see us down by that second deviation band. And again, part of the problem I'm having tonight, so I want to be long, but what I don't like is look at the Nikkei. Nikkei is now down 1,700 points. We have the Cosby down 406 points. That's me a little bit concerned. So even on that long that I may want, I may want to just, hesitate for a moment. Try not to get too excited too quick. That could be all kinds of problems. All kinds of problems for me. So. We did just touch the second deviation band, and we're right here by the low of the day. Look, low of the day is right there. Boot that low of the day, maybe. Maybe I'll hit it with a micro. Micro with the plan to DCA into it is what I'm thinking. Oh, hey, Bob. Hey, your PM settings, we got messed up. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on. Yeah, hey, Bob. So you have the ES settings right? On the NASDAQ, it should be 60. No. If I'm reading it right, if I'm reading your scribblish right, hey, find out how's it going? If I'm reading it right, Bob, so Asia should be 40 on the NASDAQ, 50 during the New York session, ES should be 50 at night and then 150 during the New York. Best in the day. Hey, Paul, it depends on what you're looking for. You know, you're looking for max leverage. You're looking for the best payout policy. You're looking for the fastest payout. It really depends. There's a lot of really good deals at the top prop firms. So it's really, really close. If you want max leverage, Apex wins right there for EOD drawdown account. If you want best payout, I think it goes to Take Profit Trader because they don't cap how much you can take out and you can get daily payouts. So Lucid and Tradeify, really great accounts as well. Lucid's pretty affordable accounts, pretty cheap. And I like the fact that on Lucid and Tradeify, you don't have to pass within 30 days. And they have real-time activation. So once you pass, let's say I had a Lucid account right now. Bam, I passed it. I could turn it right into a pro account or a funded account and start trading it tonight, making money. Trying to make money. No guarantee I'd make money, but trying to. So we'll see. I think I'm gonna swing a micro on this. I know I'm probably starting early, but we'll see how ugly this gets. Let's put a micro on down here. We are down here at the second. We did spike the second deviation band down here. So let's see if we can get the rip back up. Hopefully I don't regret this. Yeah, no, MFF does have EOD and the funded and the EVA. Oh, it depends on which one. In the rapid account, no. Rapid account, it's EOD and the eval, and then it's intraday once you get funded. But most of the other accounts are just EOD accounts. So and we do have the low of the day just below us. So again, I might be early on this. I only started off with one micro. We'll see if we can get the bounce back up. I am a little bit concerned in the fact that the Nikkei and the Kospi are down so much. Nikkei down 1,700. The Kospi is down 370 now, down 5%. So I'm a little bit concerned with that. Now, if we look at the GEX levels today on the ES, look, we got held up at the 0 DTE call resistance. We hit it there. We came back up tonight, hit it. Can't get past it, but we'll see if we're gonna be able to push up higher. We had GEX 1 way up here around 76.50. We never hit that today. So we'll see if that stays there when the levels update later tonight. And yeah. NASDAQ came right down here to call resistance and whoop, bounced back up this afternoon. I'm hoping we bounce back up. If not, I'm going to be wrong. I only got one micro on at the moment. One micro. And this is a trade I planned the DCA. So last night, if you guys were on the stream last night, this morning, I showed you guys the results. It did hit target on that micro trade last night. Oh, nice. Made yesterday, 435. Yeah. A lot of people have been struggling in these markets. A lot of people I talk to, they're having a hard time with them. Hopefully you can hear me now. What's going on with my stream deck? Yeah, my stream deck keeps hitting the buttons. I don't know. All right, new lows on NASDAQ. I might be getting ready to counter trend this real quick. A little scalp on the NQ. Didn't want to fill it. So we can break the low one more time with less delta. We break that low right here one more time in the delta. Right here is less. I'm going to smack it for a little scalp. We are below the lower regression channel right here as well. What if price drops 100 points? That's fine. Give me another buy opportunity. I want to be $200 down that micro, so I'm not really too concerned with that. All right, just in case we're not going to go down there. Let me just go ahead and FOMO into this. See if we get a push up towards that 200 EMA. Watch, now that I'm in, we'll go down there and break it. Come on, just get a little bit higher here. Not going for a complete reverse, so it's a little pop back the other way. We are at the third deviation band right here on the VWAPs. So I like it. I like it from that standpoint. There we go. There we go. Let's get it. I likes it. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. Hey, Raj, good evening. Yeah, 29,419. Hey, good call on that one, Raj. Good job. And on the ES, if we do start squeezing up tonight or tomorrow, 41 to 45 is probably where I want to swing for it. So if we do come down enough tonight, I might be willing to put some micros on that also. I don't know yet. We'll see how tonight shakes out. I'm not ready to commit to that yet. We'll see how it shakes out. Right now, NASDAQ's the only one in the red. And really no surprise. Chips, did not do too well today. And we come over and we look at the Kospi and the Nikkei. Nikkei now down 1,800 points. 1,840 points. Not good. NASDAQ's getting ready to break the low again. It's going to get a little counter trend stab back the other way. All right, there we go. Quick little scalp there. $100. Thank you very much. And again, as long as we're down here by the third deviation band, every time we break that low, I'm going to look for a little pop right back up. Just quick little 5-point pops. Nothing major. If it wants to run 20 points, that's fine. I'm only looking for the little scalp. As long as we're down that third deviation band, we break the lows, look for a quick little scalp. Oh, good job on that, Eddie. Good deal. Yeah, get it back. Hey, Farlow, what's up? So again, all I'm doing is watching. Can we break the low again? If we break the low and we're down by that third deviation band, I'm going to keep looking for scalps. Let's see. Didn't break the low yet. Come on. Oh, we have some earnings coming out tomorrow too. Hey, Taiwan Semiconductor comes out before the bell tomorrow. See, we need a quick little 5 point. Kind of chased that one a little bit. Hey, Neo, what's up? Yeah, Taiwan Semiconductor should be out before we start streaming tomorrow. Oh, you joker. You just hit on my order. Oh, no, you missed it by a tick. I watched the ask go over my order. It didn't fill it, but. Hey, TF, you gotta trade your chart. Don't listen to what I'm doing. I could be wrong. I didn't think we were going to drop as much as we did today. All right, quick note, 5 points there. Thank you very much. So initially when it missed me, I can see the bid ask line right here. The ask line went over my order. It just didn't fill me. So. Hey, Raj, you might be right on that. I'm not sure. Yeah, Nikkei is flushing, Captain. Nikkei and the Kospi. They're down pretty good. So Nikkei right now is down 1805. 1800, that is. Kospi's down 398 points. Down 5.46%. So we have the HSI opening up here at 9:30. So about an hour away. Nobody just wants to go ahead and squeeze on up. You know, if it does, if we stay down by a third deviation band, we break the low again. I'm gonna keep running those little counter trend scalps. Yeah, the guy. Hey Neo, we got it on the ES. We did not get it on the NASDAQ. And here's the problem: NASDAQ should fill it by Thursday's close. Otherwise, it could be several weeks before we come back and visit that. Oh, trying to get my M and Q back in the green. Trying to get me in the green here. And yeah, I'm going to be holding this one out for a while tonight. I may even just hold it all the way for an overnight trade. I haven't decided yet. I'm going to turn that into an overnight trade or not. Depends on how things shake out. So here was an opening range the other day. But I actually kind of like that. That minus development area right here on the profile, 898. We could push up there. We gotta try to push it at 900. So if I can get out of that at 900, that'd be a beast. That'd be $400 on that one micro. The micro from last night made 360 something, I think it was. So we'll see. Now, depending on if I get to add to that or not, will depend on if I have any additional targets on that M&Q trade. Yeah, ES is a little bit stronger than the NQ. NQ is the only one of the four indices in the red at the moment. But that's fine. It is what it is. Oh, trying to come back down. Hey, we stay down here by the third deviation band. We'll have to go a little bit. Yeah, actually, that would actually break the low. Third deviation band, we break that low. That would put us down there at the third band. I'll look for another little counter trend pop again. So you see that red line right here? This is the low of the day. We go on there, we hit it, I'll smack it again. Yeah, I'm assuming Nikkei is not doing so hot still. Yeah, Nikkei is almost back at the low. Down 853. Kospi down 404. We do got to be careful. They keep weakening. That's going to put pressure on our markets tonight as well. So, yeah. Yeah. Look, I'm saying, you know what to do with that like button? Just smash it. Just bink. Real good. All right, let's get ready. We break that low. We break the low. I'm going to, and hopefully it doesn't, clap back. Just get a tiny little scalpy scalp. We have liquidity up here on the NASDAQ. 29,800. Then 29,900. Then 30,000. So every 100 points, we have liquidity above us. What about below us? A little bit at 29,500. 164 points below us. All right, let's see. And Q or ES trying to pull back too. A little bit. I can see the delta starting to build here as we're coming down for that low. We just barely ticked it. We need to break it by a little bit more than that. A little bit more of a break. That's not enough. I need to see more than just a tick or two of a break. Yes, is below the VWAP down at the first band. Come on. Let's see. A little bit more of a break. Come on. Screw it. Get more of a bounce here. Ooh, I didn't see that point of control right there. Point of control is at 612. I'm going to get stopped out of this. I didn't see that point of control down there. That makes me a little bit nervous now. 612 is that point of control. We're probably going to go get it. No, Neo, I've been going long. We're not at the third band. Every time we break the low, just look for a little pop back up. This one might get me, though. This one might get me. Yesterday's a red doji. Yes, it got weaker here, too. And what about... Yeah, look, Nikkei's down 2,000 points. Possibly down 447. That's not good for me. Those markets keep getting weaker, and here I am. Could be a problem here. I'm asking for problems. They're not showing no signs of firming up yet. You only have one M and Q on. I got an M and Q on too, and it keeps going down there. I got stopped out of that one. All right, so that one got me. Should have hit it again. Dang it. Hold on a second. Let me switch this. All right. One more push and look for a fade. Yeah, I'm looking for it, Raj. I'm looking to fade it one more time. We got that. What scares me though, we have that point of control right here at 612. So do we hit that 612, then maybe bounce? I don't know. I didn't realize we had that point of control right there. But I do think I can get a pretty decent bounce if we're going to bounce. And that would be beast mode. So let's see. You can see right now we are below the lower regression channel too. All right. They're selling it. I'm going to take another swing here. Take another swing on this. We'll see. Oh, now we're short-term oversold. Let's see. I'm trying to get a little bit more out of this one. Yeah, I'll probably get out before he gets to my target. I just have my target up a little bit higher, just in case we get a quick little bloop. No, you do not have to be Asian to trade this session. Come on. Oh, dang it. It's all 215. Hopefully I'm not being greedy here. So I am going against the grain. Targeting yesterday's low. Okay. I mean, you might be right. I'm just looking for little scalps here. I should have got it two something. I would have got back that last loss. But I was being a little bit greedy here. Hopefully the greedy do not become the needy. And it may. Usually I just look for 5 points on those trades, and here I am trying to get a little bit more out of it. I do like the fact that we're way below the third deviation band on the view app. And let's look at something real quick. Possibly down 6.17%. Hey, look at Nikkei. Nikkei's down 2,100. That's not good. That is not good for me. So, see if they're going to push one more time. And we do have that point of control at 612. NASDAQ is the only one down. Now, 612 probably coming, BK. Probably is. I still think I got a shot of getting a nice little pop back. You know, what I think in reality could be two different things. Let's keep that in the back of our mind. We have some liquidity up there on the ES, about 76.27. So maybe if the ES can pull up towards this liquidity, it'll yank the NASDAQ up here a little bit for me. Yeah, ES is flat for the night. So ES is holding up better than the NASDAQ. But ES is getting ready to go red. Probably gonna be 2 trades in a row got me. But I can't short when we're down here at the third deviation band. So we're down at the third deviation band. I can't short that. That's asking to get a quick little bounce back the other way. Even if I'm wrong on the trade, that's fine. But more times than not, it's going to work out. Which does not guarantee it will be this time. Hey, Raj, probably stop me out. Then we get the reversal. So, where's Mike stop? Bing. Boom. Trump will come out and tweet something. Iran activates air defense in Tehran. Oil's only at 49 cents at the moment. I don't like how we're just like sitting here. I kind of think we're going to sweep that low again. Oh, yeah, we got 9 count too, BK. Good job. You spotted that before I did. Ooh, I was on the verge of closing out that trade too. I was on the verge of closing that out down here. So you know what? Maybe I should just close it out early so I don't take the full loss. And we'll see if Being patient serves me well on this one. There we go. There we go. All right. Hey, so one loss on that attempt, that last attempt. Second one, got it. Oh no, Atomic. I said today on the stream, towards the end, I changed it. I decided I was going to go out on the e-foil earlier in the day. So once I got off stream, ate lunch, then went out on the e-foil for a little bit. So that was fun. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, look. See me cruising around. Let me see. Yeah. You're cruising around the e-foil. So trying to learn how to do it. I'm not the best at it. Only done it a couple times. So hey, what's up, Paul? Good evening. Hey, Paul, did you see the latest sale Apex has? $49. Intraday accounts, 0 activation fee. The ones I have Crawford with Tradeify, I have the select accounts. They are funded. I picked the 5-day for payouts versus daily. And here's why. And some people are going to disagree with me, and that's fine. I mean, we all trade a little bit different. But all right, select account. I have the 150K accounts. View funded rules. So look right here. If you pick the daily payouts, you only get $3,500 drawdown. The flex, the 5-day payouts, you get $4,500. That's why I picked the flex payouts once I passed. And I actually have those accounts where I can take a payout right now. I'm just trying to build it up a little bit higher before I request a payout. If you look at, and maybe I'll blow it up before that, but hopefully not. Yeah, drawdown is 2K. Just ain't right on it. So here's the yeah, real quick. I don't think this will matter. But here's my Tradeify accounts right now. So I can request payout on all 5 of them. I just choose not to. I'm trying to build up the account a little bit more. I want to take a little bit bigger payout before I request a payout. So we'll see. Hey, what do you mean? Hey, Jerry, what do you mean 10-second rule? What's the 10-second rule? Which prop firm are we talking about? Yeah, hey, Paul. So I want to get to where I can ride waves on the E4. Right now, I've just been practicing in the Bay. Hey, Crawford. So now I split them up. I trade the Apex accounts because they're the only accounts I have with the daily loss limit. I trade them by themselves. I've been trading my take profit trader accounts by themselves. All the other accounts I trade together. So let's see if we can go ahead and rip on up here. But again, this is why I don't want to short down here. Why I kept looking for counter trend pops down to third deviation band. I'm looking for the move back the other way. Hey, Jerry, Tradeify. And I think it just says that a majority of your profits have to be on trades held longer than 10 seconds. I don't think you lose the account. Oh, hey, Raj, the deal with Apex, $49, 0 activation fee. Use code Mike on the intraday drawdown. Here, I'll show you real quick. So it's the best sale Apex ever had, guys. Apex's best sale they've had. I didn't get a chance to make a little banner or anything, but when you go to pick it, all right. So if you go to Apex, you scroll down, you want to go right here. It's only for the 50K, and you want to go to the no activation fee account. All right, no activation fee. Look, $49. Use code Mike. No activation fee means you don't pay an activation fee. All in, $49. That is the cheapest 50K account at the moment. So, you can't beat it. If we go to yeah, look right here. Oops. So you go to propfirmmike.com. Look, Apex is the cheapest. The next cheapest would be My Fun and Futures. So Apex is the cheapest. $49 all in. That's the true cost. So I think we have the sale ends in 6 days. I might pick some up. Even though I've been trading the EOD accounts, I might end up picking up some of those accounts and trading with you guys on stream. Oh, how do you go to Apex? I was like, specs. Specs. What is specs? Hey, Cheryl, TPT is great too, but the TPTs have the best payout. Apex has the ability to have the most amount of leverage. So, you know, which is most important? I think it's better to trade with multiple prop firms myself. Currently trade with 6 prop firms. So. Hey, Atomic, it's $49 all in for the 50K intraday drawdown account. But you have to pick the account with no activation. So when you go to buy it, you know, make sure. Very, very important. If you go to buy it, you want that deal. I sent an email out to you guys as well talking about it. But when you go to pick the intraday account, you got to make sure you select no activation fee. If you select the standard account, you can get the account cheaper for $24. But then once you pass, you have to pay another $49 or $59 to activate it. So right now you can just get all in $49. That's stupid cheap. Stupid cheap. So. Oh, intraday drawdown means it'll trail on your unrealized profit. So let's say you're in a trade and you're up $1,000 and you close it out for break even. You're going to lose $1,000 of drawdown. Where in the day drawdown, let's say you're up $1,000 and you close it out for break even. You didn't lose any drawdown. So the intraday drawdown accounts are harder to pass, but that's the accounts that Apex used to only have. So if you're used to trading those, you know, it's a pretty awesome deal. So it just teaches you to take profit early. Or not early, but take it when you have it. Don't sit there and let the trade swing around, because it goes up, comes down, you're losing drawdown. In the evaluation, no. Evaluation, you can pass in 1 day. In the funded stage, 50% consistency. So. Neo's got a TP here. Hey, Neo, you're short? Yeah, the key to beating intraday drawdown is just base hits. That's it. Base hit there, base hit there. So. Again, we still have the... I want to go see, can the Nikkei and Cosby start to firm up? We get that Nikkei to start, maybe when the HSI opens up, we see it not be smacked down as bad as the Nikkei and Cosby, maybe then we can get a little bit of a bounce, hopefully. Think we got one more leg up. Hey, Neo, when you say one more leg up, like on the daily or just this little intraday move right here? I think, hey, Jerry, I think Lucid's awesome as well. I have 5 Lucid accounts also. Hey, it's the builder account, Crawford. The builder. Which that account, I think you can get payouts every 2 days. Right now, I've never had the builder account. I've had these rapid accounts before the builder account was released. So I haven't ever tried out the builder account. It is a cheap account. Very low priced. You get payouts every 48 hours. My Fund and Futures payouts are quick too. Super quick. You request your payout. It's approved and sent to Rise. I had my whole thing done in my bank in less than 10 minutes. Submit the payout, approved in my bank, less than 10 minutes. And that was, some of it was because after I submitted the payout, you have to go to Rise, transfer it to your bank, then go check your bank, and it's there in a couple minutes. At least for my bank, it is. So, yeah, Lucid and Tradeify are neck and neck. I would agree with that. Tradeify 3.0 is really up their game. Yeah, 265 all in just ain't right. That's what I said. That's why I'm thinking about buying some. I might end up tomorrow on the stream. You might find that we have those accounts. I might be trading them. So we'll see. I just haven't had time. Like I was out writing eFoil. When I got done, I saw the email from Apex. Hey, Tom, it may be. I don't know. So I had my Lucids at payout. And I said, nah, just like I'm doing right now with Tradeify. Nah, I'm going to build it up a little bit more so I can take a little bit bigger payout. And yeah, I screwed the pooch. That's about the time I went into that 2.5 months where I was struggling trading. And I just blew up the accounts before I ever got my payout. It is what it is. So I've never had a payout from Lucid. All the other props I have that I trade with. In my payouts, I had eligible for payouts with Lucid for over a month. I'd make money, lose money, wait money, lose money. And then finally, I ended up blowing up the accounts. And I only needed probably another $300 to get to where I wanted before I was actually going to take the payout. Oh, dummy. Dummy. But hey, that's part of it. You know, you're not going to always win. And trading, it teaches you to be a good loser as well. So. Four minutes, nice. Yeah, it's fast. In all reality, if I got a payout in 2 or 3 hours, 4 hours, I still think that's fast. Remember back in the days, you request a payout. Well, actually, back in the day, you used to have to trade like 10 days. Then submit your payout. Might be another 5 days, 8 days. Then it's approved. Then a couple days to transfer it to the bank. It's way faster now. Oh, hey, real estate. So that trade last night. You're talking about the one last night? The one last night hit target. I ended up being 160 something points. The one tonight, I'm still in. So I'm down about $80 on the one tonight. So. Flex accounts are hard to beat. That's what I have with Lucid. I have the Lucid Flex accounts. So. Only 700 to pass this. Nice. Yeah, I'm long. I'm long in it. And it looks like we're going to go back down and take out the low again. ES is back to break even for the night, which I got a suspicion Nikkei is dumping again. Let's go look. Yeah, look, Nikkei is coming back down by the low, down 3%, down 2,157 points. Down the daily. Yeah, Nikkei is not looking good. Look like it wants to come down, fill some of these other gaps. Kospi's down almost 6%. So. Oh yeah. Yeah, Jonathan, I like the Lucid Flex accounts too. That's what I have. I thought you said they're hard to beat, like hard to pass. I was like, I didn't really find them that hard to pass. I think they're pretty, but I will say it's harder now in the current for another few more days anyways, where the Lucid accounts, if you get a pro account, you can pass in one day, no daily loss limit. We'll see if that ends up sticking permanently or not, but hey, Eddie, see you tomorrow. Good job on the lockout. No, I've never tried trade day. Never tried trade day. It's only because of the payout method. I can't get paid out. They won't pay out how I want to pay out. So yeah, Apex's deal right now is great, Raj. Hey, Jesse, what comes in handy? Must have missed something. Yeah, it does. It has 40% once funded. But so for me, the way I trade the props, the consistency rule normally is not a big deal. I don't go for big home run days. Today was a bigger day for me. I think in the main accounts, I had like 17,000. The take profit trader accounts were up like 5,000. And the Apex accounts, I think, were up 3 or 4,000. But not all that is where I can take a payout yet. So I'm just building up towards the payout. The Tradeify ones, I can take a payout. Take profit traders are getting close. Yeah, hey, Bobby, not a problem. Hey, so if you ever forget about it, Bobby, all you gotta do is hit !Rinko, and Nightbot will throw the link for you. You can always type in !Rinko, just in the future if you ever need it. And Nightbot will put that link. Hey, and just to be clear, when you click on that link, I'm going to click on it real quick. It'll take you to this page. We scroll down, and it's going to be this one right here. Right there. The free one. The yellow box one. One that stands out from everything else. So this is the one. So. No, hey, finite. So I've only had one payout ever declined, and it was legit. It was Apex, but I had broken the 30% drawdown rule. And what's funny is I didn't do it intentionally, but I was in a trade. It was going against me, and I had my stop to where it would be before the 30% rule. And I was like, oh, and then I added to it. I grabbed the stop and moved it in the same place. Well, now that I added 2, if it went down there, that's going to be more than 30%. I didn't think about it in the heat of the moment. Once I got out of the trade, I was like, oh, shoot. Nah, I'm probably all right. I didn't think nothing more about it. Submitted the payout, declined. That's the only payout I've ever had denied, period. And it was my fault. I take ownership of it. I made a mistake. So I wasn't even mad about it. But then I said, you know what? I'm going to get even a bigger payout now. So I said, I'm only going to trade the MES. I'm going to get $50, $50, $50 each night and resubmit the payout for a little bit more money. First night, Laxy Daisy, bam, bam, hit 2, thought was MES, walked out, went, got a drink, whatever, come back. I'm like, how am I down a couple $100 already? Hasn't even moved that much. Oh, it's an ES, because my ES and MES chart, the only difference in where they're located on my screen is the tab on the bottom. And then once I was down, what do you think I did? Gotta get it back, and went on tilt and blew them up. Oh, that's the part that sucked. That I let me go on tilt when I made that mistake. Instead of just closing out, I said, you know what? I'll deal with it tomorrow. I'm not in the right mindset to try to deal with this right now. And yeah, because I was got the trade, what, 8 more days at that point before I could request a payout. So that was only day 1. I still had 7 more days. I was gonna have to trade anyways. But you know, things we do sometimes. Yeah, I agree too, Raj. I personally like the no activation fee. I like the accounts that already have the no activation fee built in. I hate feeling like you passed and it's like, all right, bust out the credit card again. That's why I think Apex's current deal is amazing. $49 all in. So 50K account all in for the Apex. In case you guys don't know, you guys are in Iraq. It's an amazing deal right here. Apex, if you go to buy them, it's going to be a 50K accounts. You want to click on the no activation fee, all in $49. Use code Mike or 5, $245. I'm probably going to pick up 5 of them. Maybe we'll trade them on stream tomorrow. See if we can pass them. Not in one day, but maybe that'll be a fun little thing we'll do. Or do I blow them up? Yeah, intraday drawdown is the only part that stinks, but Take Profit Trader has intraday drawdown once I pass those accounts as well. So I've done very well with the Take Profit Trader accounts. The last ones that I blew up, I had for 180 something days, 185 traded days before I blew them up, but still blew them up nonetheless. There was a couple day bad streak I hit and blew them up. MFF Pro. I've never, hey Jonathan, so I've never had the MFF Pro accounts ever. No, hey, Apex is only 5 days, Orlando. Apex's new plans, I think, are much better. Their website's much improved as well. So they don't have any of the rules anymore about 5-to-1 reward to risk ratio, 30% negative P&L on a trade. So they've cleaned up their rules quite a bit with the new launch. So they've definitely moved up a bit. But again, that's what competition does. You know, you have Lucid come out. Lucid took a lot of business from a lot of other prop firms out there. Lucid has some amazing accounts. Tradeify really ramped up when they did Tradeify 3.0. They're very close to Lucid. Lucid and Tradeify are neck and neck, in my opinion. Like, they are right there with each other. Yeah, Orlando, Apex has gotten much better. Much better. Oh, yeah, I think so too, Raj. A lot of people like the Lucid accounts. I haven't talked to anybody that does not like the Lucid accounts that has traded with them. Now watch somebody type in here, I don't like them. But I don't know, Raj. That's a low price. So the only other company I've seen do $49 was Trading Ticks. And no, Trading Ticks or funding ticks. And notice they're not here no more. So, you know, that price is just not very sustainable, in my opinion. Yeah, hey, hold on. Hey, in general, I am kind of curious. Let's do a poll real quick. I am kind of curious. All right, what is your favorite prop firm account size? 25K, 50K, 100K, or 150K account? Just submitted the poll in the chat. Let's see what everybody thinks. Kind of curious, where are you guys at? You're going to add more before VWAP? Hey, Neo, are you long or short? Oh, you started at short. I see it now. And we may go down further, especially if the Nikkei and Cosby can't get out of their own way. DK's still hanging out down here. I think TPT has the best 25K account. You get $1,500 drawdown, where a lot of the other ones only give you 1,000. Look, we're trying to come up on low today, but here's what's different. When I was counter trending that earlier, notice this time we're not at the third band yet. So before I start looking for the counter trend scalps again, if I do, We got to be at the third band. Third band and breaking lows. And I'll look for the counter trend bounce back the other way. If we don't get down there, then just got to hurry up and wait. Got to hurry up and wait. I got a feeling I think I know which account people like the most, but we'll see. All right, they're smacking it. Now, we haven't got the 612 untested point of control yet. I think we're about to get it. BK was talking about that earlier. We're going to get it. I think we are. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that lucky like button. Show your support. I do truly appreciate it. All right, new lows. New session lows. All right, only the Dow is up right now, up 6 points. In Orlando, where a lot of people, I think, get caught up in, they want to trade the big size, get big payouts. And that's not necessarily the best accounts, in my opinion. We're still taking out the lows. We're not quite at the third band yet. Third band's down there around 607. So we go a little bit lower, another 9 points lower. I'll smack it for another little counter trend bounce back up. OPEX this week. Hold up. Is it third? Oh, it is the third. Oh yeah, we got OPEX this week. I was thinking it was the second week of the month. Oh, holy crap! Time is flying. Time is flying by when you're having fun. Or so they say. Let's go look. Hey, finite. That's true. So $100 a day. People are like, I don't want to make $100. I got to make more. $100 a day will make you about 125 grand a year, assuming that you can keep that average up all year long. In anything, trading, a job, whatever. $100 times 5 accounts. So $500 a day. Be about 125K per year. Add more shorts if we get a bounce up. And yeah, it's funny. You're looking for more shorts. I'm looking for the third deviation band to break so I can scalp it back the other way. Hey, so TPT though, Tom, their 25K account. Look, that's in my personal opinion, they have the best. Not even close. For a 25K account, nobody beats them currently. Doesn't mean that won't change, but at least right now. So look at 25K account. I don't have the. Hold on, we'll see. So you can see the actual price. Let's see. TPT. Let's see. Look, TPT. 25K account. Look, what other prop firm do you have to make $1,500 for a target and $1,500 for your drawdown? What other prop firm has that? I don't think any of them does currently. And TPT has the best payout policy, so you get payouts every single day, assuming you're over the buffer. Yep. Hey, but see, a lot of people don't realize that though. They're like, $50, $100. What's that going to do for me? I need to make thousands. What you don't realize is, yeah, you might make thousands one day, but then you blow up the next day. You got to start all over again. What fun is that? That's no fun. It's fun for the prop firm. Man, I really want to swing at this. I really want to swing, but we haven't quite hit that third band yet. We did hit that point of control. We took out the point of control from today. I really want that third band. I'll see a little bit lower before I look for another counter trend. Little poppy pop. Yeah, I have the Tradeify select accounts myself. So HSI is going to open up here in about 12 minutes. Come on, one little quick squeeze down. I'm going to go long for a little scalp. 5 to 10 points max. You can do 30 micros. Blue horseshoe. 30 micros. I chased it. You're going to probably make me pay for that when I chased it. Come on, a little bit more. A little bit more, please, and thank you. I'm going to target up here just a little bit more. Yeah, 9 count down there as well. I like how this delta is building to the downside. The more we build, the more likely we're getting ready for a pop. You know, when I say pop, I don't mean the trend is going to reverse. This means a little tradable balance that I can partake in. Hey, if we look at the ES is down here by the third band as well. I'm curious. Oh, crap. Nikkei's down 2,200. Cosby's down 7.24%. Yikes. That's probably not going to be good for me. They're not even trying to stop going down. They're not even thinking about it. That could be a problem. Come on. There we go. There we go. Got it. Woo. Yeah, just had to be patient. Now, we didn't quite make it to the third band, but we are pretty darn close. And the ES was pushed on that third band as well. And we get the 9 count down there. So ES right down there as well. I like it. I like it a lot. Nice little bouncy bounce, little counter trend, smack back the other way. Now, last night I did pretty decent. I think after the M&Q trade hit, I was up like 1,500 last night. Gave it all back this morning. Got it all back. Got pushed back to the session highs. I think I closed out 18 or 2 grand for the day. I don't know, somewhere in that ballpark. Let's hope tomorrow, if I finish tonight strong, let's hope tomorrow I don't try to play green to red again. Hate doing that. Oh, we got 97 likes. Can we get 3 more likes? 2 more likes? See if we can get that 100 like mark. I All we need is 2 more. Who's going to be the lucky 2 people? Yeah. Trading, how to make money trading is not easy. You know, I think it's easy because all you do is click, 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 click. It's really right here. That's the hard part. 6 inches between your left ear and your right ear. Trading itself isn't hard, but it's the whole mental games, mental gymnastics you have to play. So, congrats, you guys got us over the 100 like mark. Because think about it, nobody likes losing. Nobody. Losing is the hardest part, and that's the thing that people work on the least. So think about when you think about trading, ooh, I'm going to work on being a better trader. Does the first thing come to mind is let me work on losing, or is it let me work on the trade entry? And think about it, do we get paid? You know, a lot of people focus so much time on the entry. Where do you make your money trading? Does when you get in dictate how much money you make, or is it where you exit? Because we don't get paid or debited our account until we're out of the trade. So where you exit is more important than where you enter, in my opinion. So, yeah, Best Loser Wins. That's a great book. Yeah, I read it. I didn't read it. I listened to an audiobook. Yep. We're oversold a little bit. That's why I went. That last trade was a little counter trend pop that I took. Little popping up. I think all my trades tonight have been winners, but one. Had one loss. The next trade made up for it, plus a little bit extra. You know, if you take a trade that is valid by your rules and it just doesn't work out, doesn't mean it was a bad trade. It just means it didn't work out. Not every trade is going to work out. Nobody has a 100% win-loss ratio. If they do, well, let them trade a little bit longer. They'll blow up their account. Because if they do, they're not using a stop loss. And eventually, it'll catch up to them. So, all 4 indices are in the red. Dow's barely down 10 points. S&P's down 3 points. NASDAQ's down 86. And the Russell's down 1.8. Again, chips are still not having a fun time. You know, because Cosby's down 7.19%. Down 523 points. Nikkei is down 2,093 points, down 3%. So, Bitcoin's down a little bit tonight, not much. I think crude oil is trying to creep up here a bit. Crude oil might be trying to creep up. Let's keep an eye on that. Oh, right here, it's just moving averages. 50 and 200 EMA. 50 and 200 EMA. I got a little bit of chirping going on. Doop, doop, doop. What's the range so far tonight? Range is 161 points on the NASDAQ. S&P only about 17. We got a point of control down here on the S&P too. S&P has not hit 7607 yet. Used to live in Ocala. I used to race motocross in Ocala. Over there at Hard Rock and Reddick. I'm curious. All right, don't forget, if you guys want to vote in the poll, what is your favorite prop firm account size? Not too late to vote. Polls in the chat. Yeah, bring your horse. Cala is horse country for sure. Leak a street, not just. I live in Florida by the water. So. If we're going to bounce up here a little bit more. Are we going to bounce? Or is this just a dead cat bouncing? We're going to slam it right back down. We'll find out. Well, I mean, you can trade without a stop loss. Hey, so I'm actually reading a book, and I usually do it when I travel and stuff, but listen to an audiobook. I'm reading listen to the new Market Wizards book. It's pretty funny because they talk about basically one of the things that I do to manage risk in that book. So I thought it was kind of funny to hear him say it. But basically 2 ways you can manage risk. One of them, have a stop loss. The other one, your position size. So the size way down. If you're not going to have a stop loss, you just got to size way down so you can absorb all the volatility in the market. What symbol are you trading on? TradingView? NQ? It looks like we're about to take out the low again. So let's go see Mr. Nikkei. Nikkei down 21.43. Cosby back down 5.08. Yeah, shouldn't trade for money. I'm going to be patient. Again, we took out the lows, but look, that deviation band is running away from us. So we're a little bit further away from it now. Third deviation band right now is at 580. So a little bit lower. We need to get down there, buy it before I look for a buy again. We go down there, we spike it. As we're breaking the lows, I will take another counter trend pop. So hope it doesn't pop me. So US says latest rounds of strikes in Iran are completed. Yep, trading time for money. That's a fact. Well, I mean, it might look different than this chart, but the NQ1 should look the same as this chart on the left. This is a 1 minute chart. The chart on the right is a Ninzarenko chart. So watch, if I pull up preview NQ, put this on a 1 minute. Look at these charts. This chart and this chart looks the same. Identical. They move exactly the same time, everything. The chart that I execute off, though, is a Renko chart because I can see quick little inefficiencies in the market and take advantage of it and trade it back to equilibrium. So price has been different. You must be on the wrong one. Look, or you're on delayed data. Hey, so you have to pay for futures data. So you probably have a D right up here at the top somewhere. It says delayed data. If you're on delayed data, I have live data. So look, 613, 613 and a quarter. They match. All right, 12 and a half, 12 and, oh, now it's 13, 13. So you have to have live data. You have to pay for it. If you had a prop firm connected to it, you can have, yeah, delayed data will be different. I have live data. It's not delayed. Not delayed. So. Yeah, it's a 35, is it 2 or 3? I think it's 3. Yeah, it's a 35.3. Let me just get to where I can read it. Make sure. Yeah, 30. Oh no, 55. 55.3. 55 and 3 for the regression channel. 55 and 3. Now, if you're on TradingView, it's 55 and 1.5 on the top and lower bands. All right, we're making new lows. But again, we're not at the third band yet. I'll counter trend this if we get down to the third band. If not, we're just slowly grinding, and I'm not looking for the counter trend pop. Yeah, 1 minute time frame. Yep. I primarily look at it on the 1 minute. You can use the same settings for a daily though, if you want to, or any other chart. All right, new lows. See if we can get down low enough. Right now, about 580 is that third deviation band. You know, if you come into the market and say, I have to make $100 today, you're probably going to walk out saying, I need to make $200 now tomorrow or more. Probably isn't going to work out for you. When you have to make the money, it's the hardest to make the money. When you don't need the money, it's easier to make money. Fact. It's kind of funny how that works. Like right now, I'm just being patient. If the market doesn't go down there, then I don't have to trade it. I don't want to short it as we're down by the second band. Yeah, hey, Neo, I think that's smart. Very smart. Even though the trade that got me on day number 1 when I quit my job, I tell that story about how I lost $900 after being up 360 for the day. It was the MNQ that got me. I'm trying to get a little pop. Let's see. Osprey's trying to come up here a little bit. And Nikkei may be trying to firm up just a little bit. A wee little bit. Yeah, slow and steady, Orlando. That's the way to do it. Now, the bad part is you just got to be patient. It's going to take a while to get the payout. But once you get over that threshold, just slow, rinse and repeat. Don't think about the time. And you'll be amazed. If you're like, oh, I got to get a payout in 5 days. You know, we're going to take trades that probably shouldn't take sometimes. You want to see Apple down 7, or you want to see NASDAQ down 7%, Apple. Wow. Well, let's not do that while I'm in that micro, all right? No 7% while I'm in this micro. Ideally. So. Hey, Finite, hit the subscribe button. It's free. What do you mean? The subscribe button is free. I'm trying to pop up here a little bit. Dow back in the green, up 6 points. Hey, Leo, what's up? What's up? Oh, hey, finite. You don't have to do that. Don't worry about that. Yeah, you don't have to worry about that. Hey, don't forget, if you guys want to vote, which prop firm size is your favorite? At 50 view app, your ad. Hey, Neo, you still looking for shorts? I still want to buy it, but at least I have the MAQ on, so I can. It's holding me at bay for the time being. You're gonna delay. Going to delay the stream by 10 minutes. All right. Delay it by 10 minutes. Yeah, trade on delayed data. Hey, all you have to do is then watch the stream. Oh yeah, it's going up. All right, I'll buy. 20-minute delayed data. Man, if we could trade on 20-minute delayed data, but you get real-time quotes. Oh man, that would be the ultimate money glitch. Oh man, oh man. You guys ever figure out how to do that? Please inform me on it. I'd like to jump in with you guys. Actually, I got a video on FVGs and using the order flow you might want to check out. Let's see if I can post it. Just post that video. See if we can get that video some love. Here's a link for that video. Yeah, check it out. Check it out. Find out. I just posted it. Posted that video out just a couple days ago. Not yesterday. I think Monday. All right, we're trying to bounce up. Let's go look. So now we have the Dow up, Russell up, and ES is up. ES up one tick. Kind of kicking myself for not going long on the ES, but the Nikkei kind of spooking me a little bit. Nikkei and the Kospi. I'm a little scared. Hey, Raphael, I'm going pretty good so far. So far, only one losing trade. Now, now I said we'll have a series of losing trades. So, look on the ES. We have a little bit of liquidity up here. I think the market can pull up there, 28-ish. Currently trading at 15. So, I appreciate that finite. Hey, don't forget to smash that like button when you watch it. Leave a comment, all that fun stuff. Help me defeat the YouTube algorithm. I do truly appreciate it. Yeah, I do appreciate that. I still don't know that we've put the, I don't know that we're done going down tonight yet. Now we only have the Dow back up. And Dow's only up by 1 point. See Cosby starting to go back down. Nikkei down 2,196 points. Ugh. I appreciate that, Finite. Yeah, we have a good group of people on the streams. Raj helps out immensely, sharing knowledge with us every day. Raj has been trading longer than I have, for sure. So Raj's been around the block longer than I have. Yes, though, has not hit the point of control at 76.07. So. Hey, FX, what's up? Target for the day, 29,408. Hey, we might end up getting back down there. Raphael, we could. $12 contracts, but the market moved. Wow. Hey, Finite, 12 micros or 12 minis? How am I getting the beautiful bumps on the way down? I'm not sure what you mean by that. Jesse says it wants 482 to 436. Maybe. I mean, the way the Nikkei and Cosby are trading, it's a problem. So, yeah, it flies down, but we're not down low enough yet. So here's why I'm not looking for the little counter trend bounces up yet. All right, we're not down at that third deviation band, so I'm just holding off. I'm holding off, and I got the luxury that I've already placed a series on this move down here. When we're riding that third band, I got a lot of scalps out of that area. I think I took one last one over here. So if we do come back down there again, I'm going to smack it. If not, I'll wait till it firms up and gets bullish, and I'll look to go long. And what really stinks is at the beginning of the stream, we talked about this. I said, oh, we're at the third band. This is a good area to short, but I'm really wanting to be long, so I'm not going to take the short. I called out the good area to short, and I said, I'm not going to take it. I didn't take it. Said, anybody can make money the easy way. Let me do it the hard way. Oh, what an idiots. So No, oh no, order quantity refers to the contract numbers. Mini or micro would be, like for instance, for the NASDAQ, NQ would be the mini, MNQ would be the micro. So the micro is 1/10 the value of the mini. So for 1 point on the NQ, it's $20. For 1 point on the micro, on the MNQ, it's $2. So that means when it goes in your favor, you make less, but when it goes against you, you also lose less. And most people only want to focus on, well, I'm only worried about when it goes in my favor. I want to make the maximum. Yeah, and that's how you blow up your account. No, hey, 12 just means contract size. So if you're in the MNQ, if you're on MNQ, that would be a micro. It doesn't matter if it's 1 or 12. It's the right up here at the top where it says NQ. If it was a micro, it'd say MNQ. Hey, fine, it's all good. Yeah, by clicking the mouse. They're trying to squeeze up. I'm kind of curious. Nikkei versus, oh yeah, Nikkei is trying to pop up here a little bit, only down 18. It's funny, only down 1800. And we have the Kospi down 6.18%. Does VWAP and fail? Let's see if it does, Raj. We are at VWAP. So ES just barely got above VWAP right here. I'm betting against you this time, Raj. I'm hoping that we can break above it and start working our way back up. But you'll probably be right. I'll probably be wrong. So we'll see. Oh, I think Jesse wants to come hang out. Hold on. I gotta change this. Let's see. So my headset is not gonna be dead. Let's see. VWAP shorted, nice. Hey, fingers crossed it works out for you. I need to go up, I'm still in the micro, so.
What's up, everybody? Good to see ya. Hopefully my volume's good and I sound all right here. Good. I know I was gonna text you back, but I didn't want to be a prick.
I'm muted. All right, well, Jesse's with us.
Mike's muted.
Yeah. Okay. I was muted. I unmuted you and muted myself. You're talking to all of them. I was talking to myself.
What's up, guys?
Well, it's not true. I guess you could hear me. They just
couldn't. I could hear you. They couldn't hear you.
Yeah.
Well, good thing they were quick to point that out.
Tell you what, man, I got this thing. It's kind of satisfying. It's like a little fidgeter.
Oh yeah, I've got one of those spinners. I haven't gotten that out in years.
Yeah, but look, it's this little block thing. I don't know if people can see it. But look, it'll fold down like this.
Oh,
and then you can fold this way.
Yeah,
It's
I've
kind of
seen
satisfying. I've been playing with it tonight. It's actually keeping me calm while I'm trading. I
that.
just keep rotating through my fingers, and it's kind of keeping me calm. It's kind of funny. And it's just rinse and repeat. Do the same thing over and over.
Yeah.
So, any trades tonight?
Yep, I'm up 166 bucks.
Nice.
One little scalp.
That's all it takes.
Yeah.
One a day.
One tiny little guy.
Yeah.
And then it was long from the bottom down there, right? And then I panicked and closed it. And then look at this rip all the way back up to VWAP.
Well, hey, Nikkei was down 2,200, and now
Yeah.
going down 1947.
I heard you talking about that, and that's when I kind of
down
got
460.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So I was like, it was making me a little bit nervous as I was counter trending the moves down earlier, but I only did it when we're at the third deviation band.
Yeah.
So
I was having some PTSD from this morning when I kept trying to find the bottom.
I mean, eventually you do find it. Just like the draft. I promise, no more peeing on your little friends.
Yeah. Hey, Bob, what's up, dude? Good to see you. Yeah, thank goodness for the small things.
Hey, Bob, how are you doing tonight? How's your trading tonight? I think Bob had a good night last night. It was like 170 per account.
Nice.
Yep. It's always nice when you have a good day. Easy day. So last night I had a good night. Came in this morning, went friggin' green to red again. I hate doing
Dude, it
that.
wasn't only you. I just, yeah. Well, you know my story, but for those listening in, you know, I had that Lucid account yesterday. Had a pretty good day. Funded. Blew it up this morning like an idiot. And then that put me on tilt. I had to get it back, right? I got to get it back. And right now, Lucid has a deal where, or I don't know if it's a deal, but there's no daily loss limit, and you can pass that pro account one day. And so I went and bought a new one, blew it up, reset it, blew it up, reset it, and then passed it.
How many times did you blow it up? 3?
Twice.
Oh, twice. Oh, hey, Bob, good job on that.
What a disaster.
Bob's up 184 so far.
All right.
Let's see. Hey, how high do you think we're going to bounce? Because as I look at this 30-minute chart, I just caught my eye out of the other screen. Could this be a little ABC pattern to take us back up here? Could it?
Well, I've got a little, let's see.
Right there. 958 up here.
Okay, well, I see 746 as a potential target.
740. We need higher than that.
I mean, but I was looking at that target when I got long down there, right? And so I bailed on it like for 160 bucks. I'd be up $1,000 right now, probably.
Nice.
Or more. Now
Whoa.
I don't want to FOMO into it now that the move's half over. So, oh well. I can't get them all.
Hey, so here's. Oh, we need to go up a little bit more here. Targeting 740, Bob. Nice. So Bob's targeting 740, so I'm going to target 739. Just joking, Bob.
Just front run Bob.
Front run anybody's target. Like, I hit target. I don't know why you didn't get out there. Clearly see that big order. That Bob guy was out there. He's got to front run his order. Hey, Bob, don't worry about it. I look at Bookmap and I can track your orders. Bob's the big whale out there. Let's see. No, my VWAP is set for session. So it starts at 6 o'clock. So when you look right here, when the futures market's open, it starts right there at 6 o'clock. And it continues out. I also have a VWAP that will start during the New York session at 9:30. So I have 2 VWAPs. But that one's not going right now because it's not New York session. So POC just went up. Interesting. Missile and drone strikes hit early warning radars at the airbase in Kuwait. Oil's just kind of hovering right where it's been. Oil's not really moving. Hey, was there any news today about? Did you say Trump came out with some kind of news, Jesse, today? Oh, I wonder if we lost Jesse. Uh-oh. I think we lost him.
Oh shoot.
Oh, hey, you're back.
I think I know what happened. Am I back?
You're back.
Am I back now?
You're
Sorry
back.
about that. I lost my connection to Bookmap, Ninja, everything. Jeez. All right, I'm back.
Market makers out to
What was
get
that?
you.
Yeah, news about Trump?
Yeah, was there any news today?
I don't know.
About Trump, Iran?
I don't think so.
After I left.
Oh yeah, he said, yeah, right. What was this like? Right before the bell, he said, Iran wants to meet. That's all it said. It was in red on Financial Juice, and it said Trump, Iran wants to meet. I said, oh boy, here we go.
Did they say they're going to meet, or it's all no follow?
I'm going to scroll down and see if I can find it. It was funny because it was just one little sentence, nothing else.
Did the market react to it?
I mean, a little bit, but not really. I was long already anyway, so it kind of helped. Well, I just scrolled all the way down to the PPI stuff, and I don't see the red. They might have removed the fact that it was red.
Yeah, Neo was short real estate at there too. Hey, Neo, did you target out? Oh yeah, 64. I'm out. So Neo shorted at the VWAP as well. Raj said it was going to go down at the VWAP too.
Yeah, I can't find it on the juice. They probably removed it because it didn't really do much.
So I'm really having an issue because NASDAQ has not filled the gap. So I still have that target up there in my head. And it's giving me a bias versus what the market is telling me. That's a problem. It can be a problem. Not a problem yet. So far, it's still been able to go through it.
So I'm watching this video series that's based on the 100 years ago Dow theories. And one of the things it says is, like me, I'm a trend continuation trader, right? So I like, whether we're going down or up, I like to wait for little pullbacks, get long again, for example. Wait for the next pullback, get long again, keep riding the trend. That's my best trading. And so what's interesting to me is that in these theories, it says, listen, zoom way out, look at a daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart, something like that, all of them, if you will, and only take your scalps in the direction of the overall big picture.
Yeah.
And that's the safer bet. So,
hey, Miss K, Apple says TPT risk manager is calling me, getting to sports equipment deep.
I love it.
And someone else asked, do I like using the ATR indicator? Here's the only ATR indicator I use. And I have it right into my market analyzer window. I look at the last 14 days, last 250 days, and look at just to see what the daily average range is. But that's the only ATR indicator I use.
I don't have that one, but this is one of the things I learned from Mike, and I watch his streams for, is because if we've already pulled farther away than that, then I feel a little safer starting to counter the market, right? So it's helpful to me.
That's the day we double it.
Yeah, exactly.
No, I'm with you on that too.
Every time though, right? Oh man.
I come right back down. What's the Nikkei doing? Nikkei, oh yeah, look. Kospi's on the move back down 7.14%. Nikkei's back down 2,121 points. So let's go. No, hey Raj, I quit having birthdays. No more birthdays.
Yeah, now we just celebrated all month, Raj.
No, I don't have no more birthdays. I'm gonna stay 21 forever.
And back to that ATR question. So I watch the 5-minute ATR for sure, and I that's how I judge how big my trades should be or what I should expect. So what I do is when I get in a trade, I'm watching that 5-minute ATR, and I'm only looking for 80% of whatever it is. And I display that right in the top right-hand corner of my charts at all times. So I'm always on the right ATM and NinjaTrader.
I'm wanting to smack this. I shouldn't. We're not down deep enough yet. I'm jonesing to go counter trend right here. I'm not gonna do it, but man, I'm really fighting it here at the moment. Fighting the urge.
Yeah, I would wait till what did I say earlier about 460-ish?
Yeah.
Or no, I'm sorry, 480.
If we hit that third band, I'm gonna smack it, but we're not there yet. We're not even at the second band yet.
Do I have 3 bands on mine or only 2? I can't tell. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I got 3. I think you walked me through adding that before.
Yeah. Bulls need to hold for a continuation to the upside. Here, kitty.
Yeah, I've also got a potential target up here too. Yeah, it could go either. I don't like where the market's at because I got a target at 747 and one down at 480.
Hey, so you just go long the M&Q and long the NQ.
No, I'm gonna sit on my hands.
Then you get dinged out for hedging.
Mm-hmm.
Bulls have been fighting all night. Well, Dow's now down 40 points. Let's go look at Dow. Dow might be at the lowest point it's been at. And that Cosby and stuff is kind of spooking me here. You look at Dow. Dow finally gave it up. Russell on the move. Russell's at session lows or close to it. ES, NQ, all of them just not good. Not good. Hey, Eric, what 2 major moving averages do you have? And what time frame chart are you pulling them from? You hate the market today? That's what I was saying this morning. Stupid market. I went green to red, but I was able to get it back. Thankfully. Oh, crude oil contracts could be rolling over too.
Oh yeah, when's that?
I don't know. My analyzer says 0 days, so probably tomorrow. We train a new contract maybe. I didn't look at the volumes yet. Hey Jesse, you favor more downside or upside?
It's right in the middle of my two kind of the areas I'd be targeting. So I'm just kind of waiting to see if somebody takes control.
Yeah, just flip a coin. Flip a coin and full port. And then as soon as you get in the trade, you'll know exactly where it's going. Where that stop loss is at, that'll be the direction. So here's what you have to do for us. All right. This is all about us. All right. You got to help us out. So full port, flip a coin to figure out which way to go, and then tell us where your stop loss is, higher or lower, so we know, do we go long or do we go short? And then we'll say, hey, we'll all give you a thank you at the end.
Sounds like a hell of a plan.
I thought you'd like it. And we'll get you next time you need help.
Let's see.
That needs to smack it. I really want to counter trend this some more tonight, but not yet. I'm being patient. I'm pretty proud of myself. But it's a lot easier for me to be patient if I'm already up. So I already had a series of, I don't know if you saw it, but when we were dropping, just kept counter trend, counter trend, counter trend, counter trend. Only had one loser so far.
Nice.
So I'm like, you know,
I was
pushing my luck.
listening while I was driving. Actually, I got stuck at work late again, but I was listening, and then while I was driving too and eating dinner.
You need to tell your boss that's interfering with your trading.
I'm the boss. I was waiting on everybody else.
We gotta tell him to hurry the F up. Do you want to get fired or what? Time to go. We're gonna start docking pay. The longer you stay here, the less pay you're gonna get. Gotta make up for my trading losses that you're causing.
Exactly. Sometimes it's like, man, you know, you could be costing me $1,000 right now.
Or they could be saving you.
Yeah, that's happened too.
Yeah, sometimes, you know, we're in a hurry. Ooh, I can't wait to get home. Bam. Oh man, I wish I would not have done that. Why did I trade tonight?
Hey, so at the close, I was trading the close, and I was watching the SPX charm and trading the NQ in that direction. I got a nice long there.
Kind of curious real quick. I'm gonna go back and actually look. I didn't see it. I was out in the water, so.
Yeah, so I kind of assumed. So I was watching the charm, and I said, "Hey, the 350, the market on close, algo is going to give us a little pop here." So I got long. We got the pop. It wasn't quite enough to hit my target. Almost got there, and then I said, "You know what? The 355 will hit it." And I just waited. There was a little pullback, but then boom, it hit again, and target filled.
Hey, so I pulled it up real quick. Hey, so on that charm, so you're just looking for it to hold the top of that red area and maybe bounce up?
So we were drifting. Well, it changed at the last, changes at the last second as all the options close, but we were kind of hanging out between.
But here it is right here at 315, 316.
Let's go back to like can you go to 340?
Oh, you're trading that late. Okay.
Yeah, I was literally like, I don't know if you can go to 45, but right here. So right here. Oh, go back one click. Sorry, I'm watching you on the stream, so it's a little delayed. But we didn't yet have that bar. There we go. We were just getting into the purple. And I said, you know what? We're probably going to want to settle right at the top of that purple area. So I got long the NQ a few minutes after this. And then the 350 algo came in. We got a pop. So fast forward it one click. We got a pop on the SPX.
See a pop
then
right there.
Yeah, and then another one, and then it hit my target. So
nice.
Yep. So that's how I played that one.
Nice. Good look out, Chris. Smash that lucky like button, guys and gals.
Yeah. That one was a little tricky because we kind of had stacked negative gamma there. I usually like to target, like if we got one big standout, that's where I'll target. But that one was a little tricky, but it worked out.
Yeah, I was looking up there. It looked like we had a couple stacked areas, but it didn't look like a whole lot.
Yeah, it was a little risky because we had 3 stacked negative gamma strikes right there, and it could have flushed down if there was some selling pressure, but there were buyers at the time, and I said, I like this long. Let's do it.
I like it. Let's go.
Let's go.
I want this thing to smack on up. I want to go long. Waiting for a long setup. If you're long, you're wrong. I feel like we're going to bounce here.
It sounds like it on my end. I know you can't hear my order flow stuff, but...
Oh, yeah. See, it's close on mine to triggering off. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, fine. I appreciate that. Well, head and shoulders.
Oh, on his 1 minute chart right there, it might be forming that right shoulder.
Hopefully not. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Now that I've identified it in real time, it won't work, so it's going to go up. All I got to do is try to trade it, and it'll guarantee you go up.
And that head has a mohawk or something. That's one crazy hairdo up there.
That's double head. Siamese twin.
Hey, if there's anybody new hanging out in the chat, make sure you say hi. Tell us where you're from in the world. We got You got a
Oh,
bunch of people all over the place. I
and don't
love it.
forget, I'm gonna leave the poll up for about another 5 minutes. Which prop firm account size do you guys like best? Did the poll out
Yeah.
there?
I already answered on there. I got my answer in. Let's go, people.
Hey, Raphael, I like that target too. Hey, I like it. I actually want 76.38, a little bit higher up.
I can't believe you guys are even looking at the ES. It's so slow.
I just put a trade on. I mean, I'm not in it, but
Yeah.
put a trade on, let it eat overnight. So.
Holy cow. You know, it's funny. It just happens to be, this doesn't always happen, but your 1 minute chart right there.
Yeah.
Is the exact same pattern over here on my 20/10 Renko bars.
Oh.
We're literally forming that right shoulder right now. Interesting.
Wow, Bob's up 288-ish.
Dang, you got
all accounts. Nice.
Nice.
I think he said 170 or 180 last night, something. Hey, Bob, hey, you still owe me that Chipotle. Now that prices have gone up, I'm going to come take you up on it.
What, they raise their prices?
I don't know. They always do.
Oh, yeah.
CEO's like, oh, we're charging more because we can. Ha, ha, ha. We'll just keep raising prices. So. Is it easy to short the trend? Not really, but I like to do it. I like to fade the trend. I like to fade it. I like the counter trend to move.
Yeah, them. That's a tough question to answer because everybody's different. Me personally, I do not like to trade against the trend.
I don't mind it. I feel comfortable there.
Yeah, see? I mean, that's everybody's got their niche, you know.
And I like going for big volume profile targets too. Hey, David Snyder, what's up? What's up? All right, we still have all four of the indices in the red. Now let's go check on the Nikkei and stuff. Are they at
Wait,
lunch?
in the red, mine says NQ's up $43.
They're down 45.
What the? I'm connected to Lucid Data. This should be right.
I don't know. Maybe
What is going on here?
Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, look right here on TradingView, down 46. It matches mine. TradingView matches me.
Why is my this happens? This what the?
You got something messed up. You got to reformat your computer.
No, heck no. It only happens when I'm connected to live data through Tradeovate or now my Lucid account. Not sure why.
You mean Take Profit Trader? You said
No,
Tradeovate.
yeah, TPT is my live data.
No, you said your live data at Tradeify.
No, my live data or my Lucid account, which is crazy. My Lucid account was not doing this earlier today.
Oh, hey, Bob, I like that target, 740.
740?
Yeah. I think it'll be good.
Where's this price I was calling out? Oh, yeah, I think if it goes up, we're going to 747, in my opinion.
Hey, here's a problem. If we break this area right here, we're going to set up an ABC pattern down.
But we got to break that to the low.
Yeah.
So
wait till we break it to draw it. We'll see.
So that little pump we just had might just have been the little pullback.
Yeah. Leo, where I'm looking to go long, what I've been waiting for some more trades. Get down by the third deviation band. Start breaking the lows. I'm going to counter trend, scalp it on the way back up. Like I did earlier. That's how most of my money was made tonight. So. Only had one loser on that push down. Not only went long.
I did pretty good on this Lucid account, though, once I calmed myself down this morning after getting out of tilt mode.
Yeah, it's a son of a gun.
Yeah. I mean, I passed the account, and Lucid activate. You can activate a past account immediately during the day. You don't have to wait till the end of the day.
Creatify same way.
Yeah. So I
like
passed it, and then I did $1,900 on the funded account.
Nice.
Yeah. This says I just lost my connection. What the heck? Oh, it's my Schwab. My Schwab. It timed out. You know, every 7 days it does its thing.
Oh, we're trying to push here.
Yeah.
Hey, ES is back up. ES up 3 ticks.
3 ticks.
I'm telling you, I think the ES wants to rip. I like Raphael's target. I was thinking about it earlier, taking the trade up there to 38, but I didn't take it. I still got the NASDAQ, the micro NASDAQ on. So we'll see. If we can just get the rip, it'll be good. Any videos on using volume delta? What do you mean about that? Talk about this indicator down here.
You've got some delta videos. You got footprint videos.
I don't know. I might get to delete that delta video on accident.
Yeah, some of it's kind of sprinkled. It's kind of sprinkled in all throughout several of Mike's. He does have some order flow videos, which would include delta.
I need to make that. Oh, that's a video I could do.
Yeah, note that down. The IR delta momentum one would be a good video. Okay, Iranian army strikes U.S. military communication systems, fuel tanks in Azraq base in Jordan.
Oh, yeah.
I should probably tune into the Enforcer YouTube channel and see if that's true. They'd be talking about it.
Yeah, they have their intro so long, though. Probably not even over with the intro yet. You know me, I watch things on 2 times speed, so I wait.
Yeah.
Like, my wife goes there, goes, "What are you listening to?" I'm watching this. You can't hear that. I was like, "I can." I'm like, I'm used to it.
What are those numbers on the candles? Electric says those are the 9 count indicator, which is free in the NinjaTrader ecosystem.
Nope. I got it from there, but then I tweaked it.
Well, so Mike made.
So if you watch that video right there, you watch the video, it explains it and it shows you how you can get it for free.
Heck yeah! There you go.
So the one they had, 9 did not stick out to you, and that's one of the important numbers. It didn't stick out, so I tweaked it.
That's the most important number.
Well, that and 13, but I don't have that 13 highlighted.
Yes, the 9 count is exhaustion. Yeah.
Potential exhaustion.
Potential. Yeah. Everything's potential in trading, right?
You see right there, boop, right there, boop, right there, boop, right there. Got ran over. Right here went sideways, which another way to work off exhaustion. That one got ran over. That one worked. That one worked. And it's been third-party verified by 3 different people or 3 different firms to prove that it has this statistical edge.
It does. Just watching your charts all day, every day, it has an edge for sure.
But you really want to tie it with other things too. Don't just trade the 9 count. There was someone on the stream. I haven't seen that guy in a while. He used to call out some banger trades too. He'd have some lotto plays. I haven't seen that guy in a while. Hopefully he's all right. But that's all he trades is that. He only trades the 9 count. Yeah, hey, watch this video right here. Watch or click on the link Nightbot will put out. That video explains it in detail. That way I make sure I don't forget anything. I cover everything in that video. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the poll. Yeah, there's a 9 count. We'll see who gets busted. Let's see.
Right at VWAP too. So this is confluence.
Yeah,
9 count right at VWAP.
We're gonna break it. Watch. If you look at the 5 minute. And one of my favorite patterns. Here's a little ABC pattern we're trying to form. Look, that's why I say I think we're going to break it. So look, I think the NASDAQ's going to run to 711. Oh, thank heaven for 711.
Might as well be 747 and hit my target too then, right?
Maybe. Might look to exit there.
To be fair, I'm not in this long. I closed this thing way too early down there.
How much you up for the night now?
No, that was it. 166 bucks. And 50 cents.
I can't forget the 50 cents.
Uh-huh.
So let's see if we can break that B point. We break the B point right here. Should go to 711. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Yeah, look at them go. Dang, I should have stayed in that trade. Darn it. I'm just nervous with this brand new friggin' funded account.
I don't blame you. Especially after the day you said you had today.
Well, I've been trading like crap the last like week and a half, so 2 weeks, something like that.
It's kind of funny how that works. Like once you start getting a funk, it's like you can't get out of your own way. Like I was just in it for like 2 months, 2.5 months.
Oh, dude, I had a great run on my TPT accounts for what was that? It had to have been at least 3 weeks.
I don't know. You made quite a bit of money.
Yeah.
Like
So
actually
much
hitting
money.
your bank account.
Yeah, they gave me so much money, they moved me to live. Oh, man. I got to get back there, but slowly.
Raj says to pull back the view app. I don't know, Raj. Hey, we just took out the B point right here. I think we're going 711. I could be wrong.
I think I like 747. So if we do get a pullback, I'm buying it.
Yeah, I need to see pull back into EMAs. I'll look to get long. I'm already in the micro, so I'm in the micro from earlier. Consolidation chop. Yeah. That's what they do though. They got to get everybody out before the move happens. Frustrate both buyers and sellers. And then the move can begin.
Mm-hmm.
That's what they
Man,
do.
Look at
All the
them go.
indices are in the green, but the Dow. Dow's down 4.
Are they going to even give me a pullback to get in this thing? Jeez.
I don't typically use a trailing stop myself. I think Jesse has some trailing stops he uses.
I do. Yep. They start kicking in at 80% of the 5-minute ATR. And they're super tight trails too. They trail by 6 ticks. No joke.
Hey, we're coming up on the opening price of tonight. That's 709. 709 is opening price. Hey, so we know this acts as a magnet. Hey, and that's right around that 711. 2 points away.
I'm just hoping for a pullback to VWAP so I can get in this move. They're not going to give it to me.
Nope.
Man.
Weezer running. Running.
Man. Let me send you a picture of what I'm looking at here.
I'll see you later, Adam. I'm trying to put it. Here comes that 711.
Jeez.
Woo.
Give me a pullback, damn it.
Well, good if it doesn't. Nice. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's up there a little ways. I'll probably be out before that. Yeah, NQ back in the green, or was. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, mine says it's green 90 bucks. I don't know what's wrong with Lucid Data.
I think something's up with your computer.
No,
there's multiple prop firms that you have. I got Lucid Data. I don't have a problem.
It doesn't do it when I'm connected to Apex. Or it wasn't even doing this earlier.
That you know of.
No, I was watching it.
Yeah, but you don't know where. Really? Compared to what?
I don't remember. You say it throughout the day on your stream, so mine was right.
Oh.
I made a mental note to check it because I've been, self-conscious about that issue.
Is it just off at night, maybe?
Oh, maybe it's only at night. I don't know.
Yeah, I do look at the zero DT stuff. Got two ways to look at it here. Some of it right here. That's on the SPY though, but I look out on the NASDAQ as well, and I have the levels plotted over here.
Yeah, I use the NDX and the QQQ when I'm trading, and the SPX. I use all three for trading NQ. Most days, right? Sometimes rare, but sometimes when ES and SPX are not moving in correlation with the NQ, then that would be silly of me to do that. But most of the time that works out pretty well.
$76.25, the P point. Hey Frank, but we've already hit the P point tonight. So because we've already hit it, oh, we have not. Oh no, hey, ESP point 76.04 is a P point. I'm sorry, we did not hit it. NASDAQ did. NASDAQ hit its P point. Come on, just hit that target. 7-11, baby. Let's get it.
It was like a little baby pullback. It almost got back to VWAP. I wanted to get in too, darn it. It might still come back. Let's see. Real Estate says, Mike, for some reason your channel doesn't show up as live. Really?
I'm telling you, YouTube's hating on me.
I saw it earlier. Notified me. I was still at work. I said, what? This guy's early. I tuned in right away. Hey, Real Estate, maybe refresh like the main YouTube page. It shows live on for me. Come on, give me a pullback to VWAP, darn it. Electric, yes. The code Mike works on Lucid, everything.
Yep, Lucid, Tradeify, Take Profit Trader,
Apex.
Perdia, My Fund of Futures. Come on, just get to my target. We get frustrated. I'm going to have to use this fidgeter a little bit more.
You can even get a discount on those free Ninja Renko bars.
Yeah, free. Don't use code Mike there, though. Just click the link.
Yeah, no problem, Real Estate. No, it's good to report little bugs, potential bugs, right? So.
Yeah, fact.
Pollock says sell. I don't know. I'm liking that 747 target up there.
I'm saying at least 7-Eleven. You're saying 7-Eleven, we'll want a Slurpee. I'm going to have to have you hold down the fort. I'm going to run the 7-Eleven. Not really. 7-Eleven's on the other side of town, but.
What's up, Raphael?
Hey, you finished your B-Day Mike trading.
Every day, right?
Like Jesse can tell you every time, like, if anybody's ever talked to me, hey, Mike, you got charts up? My charts are always up. Always watching the markets. Even if I'm not home, I'm always watching the markets. I gotta get a waterproof laptop for my e-foil so I can trade while I'm e-foiling.
I've had to call Mike several times when I'm stuck in a trade and I got to drive somewhere. And I'm like, dude, give me step by step. What's happening?
And I'm not really a nice person to talk to me and do that. Oh, man, look at that big move.
Yeah, he screws with me all the time. He's like, what? You left your charts? Dude, we just ripped 100 points. I'm like, no, you're kidding. Every time I'm a gullible ass. No way, you're kidding.
Oh,
no, I'm
man.
just messing with you.
Drink while surfing? Yeah, that's probably not a good idea. One time in Costa Rica, we were hanging out by the pool, drinking, heard the waves crashing. And somehow I was joking around. I said, oh, we should go surfing. Next thing you know, 12 o'clock in the middle of the night, we're out there on the beach surfing.
Jeez.
Hey, my one friend gets cut. He falls off. The fin cuts him. He's like, I'm bleeding. Hey, just like that, I'm in the beach.
Yeah, you don't want to be out there with blood.
Hey, and there's gators there. There's like a river, that river mouth that ran right out there. Oh man, that was horrible. It was like we joked about it. Next thing I know, we're in the water. It's like there's a time, like there's a piece missing out of that memory. Just like, oh wow, we're really out here. It wasn't huge that day. It was probably 5 or 6 foot. It wasn't huge, but at night you can't see it. Thankfully, the moon was a little bit out. All right, there goes that 7-Eleven almost. Come on, get it. Think about exiting that micro I've been in for a hot minute now.
Dude, 747. Hold it. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
Oh, I've been this like all stream.
747.
Last call. Hey, Miss K, what's up? Yeah, it is. Like, I don't want to surf at night. That's not true. Me and my one friend went out surfing here one night. I think it's because we were watching Point Break. They went surfing at night the one time. I said, oh, we should do that. Now I was just joking around again. And next thing I know, he's like, yeah, my friend's like, we should do it. I'm not going to be the one that chickens out. Next thing I know is we got some glow sticks. We tried to pull up the beach. Cops ran us off. Can't be at the beach. So we found another place to park. We walked out there. It was colder out, so we had to have wetsuits on. Stuck the glow sticks in the wetsuit arms. We get out there, crack that glow stick. Oh my goodness. It felt like the whole beach just lit up. I was like, oh man, trying to hide it. I mean, it was bright because it was so dark out.
Hey, I heard a rumor that they're making another friggin' Point Break movie.
I'll watch it if they do.
Hold on.
I'm not a crook. My cousin used to go around wearing that mask before he got in the car accident and died. But...
I'm going to Google it.
Hey, Google it too. Are we going to hit 7-Eleven so I can get out of my trade?
747.
So we're just going to skip 7-Eleven?
Yep. Oh, here we go. Yes, AMC is developing a sequel television series set 35 years in the future after the 1991 cult classic, following a new heist crew connected to the original ex-presidents. Interesting. So it's going to be a series and not a movie.
Hey, Raj, it's not really the ocean itself. It's what's in it. That's spooky. So.
Oh, I forgot he was in it.
Who?
I forgot Keanu Reeves was in that movie.
Really? He's like one of the main people.
Well, I'm always about Patrick Swayze, you know?
He's dead. Didn't he die of pancreatic cancer or something?
He died of something. Yeah, so sad.
I wonder how old he was.
Oh, they're gonna film it in Australia.
Windsurf that night. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm scared of windsurf. I'm afraid I'll be on a one-way course and won't be able to come back. Same thing with kite surfing. I never did kite surfing because I'm like, I'm gonna end up in Mexico.
Yeah.
Or they're gonna pull me right across the Gulf. Oh, we just gotta get my target. I don't even have a target out there yet, but we hit that 7-Eleven, I'm gonna exit. Take the profit and run. Yeah. John says if you have the guts to trade this market, you might also find yourself surfing at night. I'm not a fan. Like, I wouldn't go surfing at night by myself. I want the sea life to have options.
Yeah.
I don't want to be the only option.
All you need to be is the fastest swimmer out of the group.
Problem is you don't see the sharks until.
Actually, you only need to be the
surprise.
second slowest.
Unless there's more than one. Raj says, I'm out. You want to scuba dive at night? You know, so I hear, rumor is, scuba diving is a lot less dangerous than surfing in terms of sharks because you can see them. So then they don't really come at you as much. But there was a tiger shark attacked a lady in Costa Rica that was scuba diving. So kite surfing, we do it here in Miami. Yeah. I've never done it. I just got an e-foil board that I started doing. I've been out 3 or 4 times. I'm getting better at it, but it's way different than surfing. But it's fun. I like it. First time I did it was in Costa Rica this last trip. I thought it was going to be a little bit easier than what it was, but just different. You don't really feel the water resistance from the board. Use the boogie board. Oh man, why did you have to tell me that? Hey, so in my mind, I was like, I'll be fine on the e-foil. No sharks. I'm good. And then I decided to ask ChatGPT, hey, are sharks scared of e-foils? It said no. It actually produces low electrical pulses, which sharks are attracted to because they sound like or they feel like a dead fish. I was like, wow. I searched that thinking, that made me feel better. Nope. So he said there's a video. Oh man, I probably don't want to see this. Want to skydive into that. I went skydiving before a couple times. Oh boy, I should not go YouTube this. If I'm going to. I can't not look now. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy, I'm probably gonna regret this. Oh boy. Oh yeah. First we didn't notice the shark. I think this guy's not on the e-foil though. He's just on a regular foil. And we have to pump it. Oh wow. You know, as soon as you see the shark, you're gonna fall. Yeah, we're not getting my 7-Eleven yet. What's up?
Hopefully.
Oh, shoot. Oh, wow. The shark just went right by this guy's board. They're not e-foils. They got regular foils.
Ooh, absorption sellers on the NQ and it dumped. Look at that.
I see it.
Ooh, this might be my entry. I like it. I like it. All right, I'm in. I'm in, baby. Let's go.
Long or short?
Uh-oh, where's my target? Okay, here we go. I'm long to 747. Let's see.
Oh, hey, Raj, I like that.
Now
That's
VWAP
nice.
needs to hold, otherwise I'm out. I'm
Hey, so you're short or long?
I'm long.
All right. Jesse is long.
We'll see. We'll
Now,
see if it works out.
So if my trade doesn't work out, it's all Jesse's fault.
Sure.
I'm blaming you. All your fault. Everything was going fine until Jesse jumped in. This guy's an idiot.
John D says, have you ever used GWAP on TradingView?
I've never seen GWAP. What is that?
He says you can see multi-frame. Do you mean multi-time frame as opposed to VWAP, which covers only the session? I don't know if VWAP's going to hold here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hey, you notice I noticed we have a little bit of liquidity up here too. 29,800. I missed that. Oh no, we talked about that earlier. 800, 900, and 30,000. Oh. I've never heard of that. What is that? Let's see. S&P.
A rejection of the point of control at 691. Is that what that was? Let me see.
I don't really like it. I don't like S&PL. For me, doesn't mean I'm right, but
What point of control are you talking about? Because tonight's is below us. Oh, no, it's not. Oops, let me zoom in.
holy crap! Hey, someone is E-foiling behind a boat. I should have watched this. Somebody's E-foiling behind or foiling behind a boat with a ski rope, and the foil hits the shark in the water. Holy crap! I would be pooping my pants. Wow.
Yeah, user, what point of control are you talking about, though? Because tonight's is not that level you called out. I have a composite of the last 5 days. It's not that. I've got a monthly composite. It's not that. It's not regular trading hours.
What price did he have?
He said there was a point of control at 691. I don't see one anywhere.
He might be on M&Q. Hey, are you on M&Q? Oh, we have TradingView. Let's see if it's M&Q.
TradingView doesn't have tick data like Ninja does, so that's why yours is off a little bit. All right, that makes sense.
Yeah, 693 is what I have.
Yeah, TradingView just tries to kind of guesstimate delta and stuff. It's not accurate, but it's close enough. But yeah. See, what I was hoping for is we would pull back to VWAP and we would hold it, which right now we kind of are. So the true tick by tick VWAP right now is 679 on the NQ. And so that mine calculates it the delta, the volume, everything tick by tick by tick for the whole session. So it's extremely accurate. It's a 679 right at the moment. So we pulled back to it, kind of flushed through it a little bit, which is normal. We're trying to push up out of here. Let's see what happens.
I'll look at the NASDAQ NQ. I got a long end. I'm thinking about getting out at 7-Eleven if we hit that ABC target right up here.
Oh, the POC for tonight, the developing point of control for tonight is at, mine is at, I can't see that far.
Mine's 686 and a quarter.
Yeah, 686.25.
That's what I got.
And the VWAP is at, what did I say? I forgot what I said. VWAP is at 678.
Hey, so Nikkei should be at lunch.
So essentially what I'm saying, user, is that we're above both of those, right? So I'm hoping they hold and we push up. I'm looking for 747, like Boeing. Let's go. Now where'd my chart go? Okay, let me pull this chart back over here. No problem. And John Doe, was it John Doe? Yeah, John Doe. Yeah, that's the, I hope I.
All right, there we go.
Okay. Yeah, let's go, baby. Get it, 747. Let's go. Anyways, I'm not talking smack on TradingView. It's incredibly.
Hey, I'm gonna start peeling off these micros. I got 3 micros.
But it just doesn't calculate the volume per tick. Good job. Nice
I am
trade.
out and out.
Way too soon. It's going to 747. Maybe. Hey, what's that yellow line on your chart right there?
It's the opening price.
Oh, crap. I don't have that on my chart. Dang, that was one heck of a rip, huh?
Yeah, that's pretty good. So, hey, we hit that ABC target that we were talking about. I was able to close out the micro from earlier. I ended up having to DCA into that trade. I had 3 micros on.
You're flat now?
Yeah, flat. Up 15.24 for the night. I think that's about what I was up last night, 15-ish. And I gave it all back this morning and got it back.
Hey, Electric, I don't know. I don't think Mike's done videos yet on the Gamma stuff, because he and I both use Spot Gamma and Mentor Q. It's two different products. Haven't done, he shows them off in videos, but he hasn't done a dedicated video, I don't think. There's another one to put down in the notes for future. Another win for Mike. Congrats. Yeah.
Man, I should be watching these videos. Golly. Golly, I should not have been watching them.
Okay, Raj closed his too.
Oh, nice. Hey, good job, Raj.
I'm still holding mine. Boy, it was up quite a bit too, this trade, because I got in at 682. Man, I was up probably what, $1,000 almost? Jeez. It happened too quick.
This other video says first time out on their e-foil encountered a shark.
Hey Raj, good night.
Hey, good night, Raj. See you in the morning, hopefully.
John Doe says Brent from Spot Gamma is a genius. Yeah, I like the dude. I like Fabio over at Mentor Q too. I pay for both their products. I use them both every day, all day.
Really upset I didn't hit that ES down there, MES.
Yeah.
Coulda, woulda, shoulda.
Yeah, I can't believe I got out of that trade for $160 earlier. Hey, let's calculate how, I'm not good at math. Let's calculate, say I held it.
What's your price?
Here we go. I got in at 609. 609, and we just hit 716.
All right.
So that's over 100 points.
107 points. How many contracts? One?
Yeah, just one mini.
I've been a little over 2,000.
Oh Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, I'm such
Coulda,
a
woulda, shoulda. Hey,
sissy,
good night, Chris.
sissy Lala over here. Hey, Chris, see ya, buddy. Yeah, I agree with you, John Doe.
Yeah, I'm live in
Mike-
New York, 8 o'clock every morning. Usually 8 to 12.
Finite likes my 747. Okay, I'm glad I'm not the only one.
And we're going to rip up now that I'm out.
There it goes. It's trying to go again. Let's see. I got my little targets hanging out up there at 747. Oh, you like 760 also? Let's see. I don't have anything at 7. Oh, you know what? 760 would take out that previous swing high. Is that what that's what you're thinking, Finite, I betcha.
Yeah, I probably should have held one of those micros because we take out the B point on the 30-minute. We're going to 958.
958. Jeez.
I'm not saying like right now. I might have been an overnight trade I could have held.
Well, hey, if you break that point, get back in with one micro and hold it there.
Yeah, maybe I might.
I like it. Okay, so user is long to 741. All right. That's the value area high on the trading view volume profile. Here, I'll tell you where mine's at. Value area high for me is at 738. 738. Close enough. Close enough. I mean, if you wanted to front run the value area high just by a little bit, maybe go 738. But I like it. I mean, that's front running my 747 too. So
I gotta quit watching those shark videos.
yeah, dude, what are you doing? You're torturing yourself over there.
I know it's not gonna be good. I'm going out Friday and I'm going out Saturday.
Jeez.
I was thinking about actually taking it to the beach this time by this one spot where you get a little bit of waves, but the current's a little bit strong too. And there are sharks out there. Watch that video does not make me.
Hey, Eric. No, I got you, Eric. I understand that. And I'm not, my 747 is not a mathematical target. It's a pattern I watch. So I'm good. I know we got to break through a few things to get there.
Malibu's artist.
But thank you, Eric. I appreciate it.
Good news. Sharks don't attack. Bad news is paddleboarders don't see they're being followed. Like last weekend, I was out last Saturday. Dolphins. There's like at least 6 different dolphins out there. I was trying to stay away from them just to make sure I don't spook them and they come spear into me or something stupid. And then there's a manatee out there. I seen the bubbles. I'm like, what is that? Oh, it's a manatee. Rode around a little bit more. I went to make a turn after I just seen some more dolphins, like a couple feet away from me. I started turning. I see the bubbles. I see it roll like this a little bit. I was like, oh crap. I hope it, bam, I fall off. He kicks his tail. People on the beach are like, ah. I was like, oh boy, they think I'm getting attacked. I just spooked them. I didn't hit them, but.
All right, so we just busted up through the pivot point on NQ.
Yeah, we're going up. We're going up. Yes, is up. All 4 indices in the green.
Also, we broke through the close too. Where the close was at what, 707 ish? I got a purple line on my chart there. I'm assuming that was the close.
I had the closing price at 707.5.
Yeah, so we busted through there. We busted through the pivot point. Now, if we can hold right here, Eric, Eric mentioned some moving averages, but I don't use moving averages, so I'm not sure where they're at. But
I don't know. We had a second band up here at 753.
Okay, so my 747's within that. So I
Yeah.
feel good. I'm gonna hold on here. I like it.
Oh, you're back in.
No, I've been in.
Oh, I thought you got
Yeah.
out. I thought you just hit target.
No.
I was too busy watching shark videos on.
Yeah. You're sidetracked.
Yeah.
Oh, wait a minute. We have a 9 count? Wait a minute. Go back to your 1 minute. Somebody just said we have a 9 count. That scares me.
I don't have it. Oh,
Okay.
we do. We did. We did. Hey, this one got busted though. Maybe we'll just bust it. And then we had this one that worked. Yeah. I just be remember a 9 count we can go sideways too.
Look, if you look at the last few 9 counts, right? The long ones, the short 9 counts got busted. The ones on the downside adhered to it, right? So that tells me price action wise, the buyers are in control here. So
Buyers.
let's go. We got 726 here. Let's go. 747, baby. Let's go. Oh, dailies? Okay. Thanks, Eric. Oh, I'm hearing a bunch of buyers. Heavy buying. Ah, man, I love Bookmap. Man, do I love Bookmap. My volume pressure imbalance indicator was just banging, like a couple of 15s in a trunk.
Couple 15s in a trunk. In a truck.
Boo, sellers are starting to kick in here though. Let's see. We don't have any. Okay, we got 24 contracts for sell up there at 750. So I still like my 747. We're so close to it. I gotta hold it, right? I gotta hold it.
You don't have to.
I'm getting a little nervous, not gonna lie.
How much you up on it?
I'm up $945.
How about you feel if it goes all the way back down to break even?
Oh, I won't let it do that. I'll close it.
What up 100? Why you sell 50 contract? No, I'm not selling. I told you from the beginning, I'm favoring the long side, and we look at that 30-minute chart pattern that I think is gonna set up. We break this B point, we break the session high tonight. I think we're on a path up to 958 tonight, tomorrow, wherever the case may be.
Dang, it's pulling back a little bit. It's scaring me. I got my hand on the close button.
See, that's the bad part. Once I see myself already up, if I don't take the profit and starts coming down, I have a hard time.
Billsnick says close it. Finite says you're making me nervous. I'm nervous too, guys. Jeez. User says he's holding. I'm not out yet. I'm still holding it, but I don't like this little pullback. I mean, let's see. Buyers coming back in. Buyers stepping in. What's up? Stay broke. Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you.
Buyers stepping in a little bit here. Only a little bit though. I want to see heavy buying up here to keep this momentum going. There they go. Here we go. They're stacking orders on the book. Pulling orders. Let's go. No, get your butt up there. Don't let that be a fake out. Let's go.
Hey, you gotta use reverse psychology on it. Be like, hey, I bet you can't go down.
What I don't like is I've got my cumulative icebergs and it's at negative 258 for the whole session. So the people that pay extra money to hide their orders are overwhelmingly short. I'm nervous.
Hey,
I'm
maybe
nervous.
those icebergs were people getting out of longs.
Could be. Yeah, could be.
I'm really kicking myself for not hitting the MES down there at the lows. A little upset with that. Should have smacked it. Pow! But
is the ES even moving? Let me look at it. I don't know.
Yeah, but it would have been from that. I could have got in around 76.11.
Oh, you're talking about way down there.
Yeah. Not now.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Not now. That's the problem I have. I can't.
Come on, buyers, kick in. Let's go. Hey, Kelvin says, love these late night streams. Yeah, me too, Kelvin. Thanks, Mike, for putting these on. Giving us all something to do, people to hang out with.
I should have stayed in that MNQ a little bit longer.
What's up, Ace?
Buyers at Task Force United.
Yeah, we got a task force for that.
I'm actually starting to like that guy more.
Me too.
Like, I like the way he handles it. Like, he's pretty good.
He's a little more nerdy than Jerome, but that's all right.
Yeah, but I like the way he doesn't answer. He doesn't fold to their pressure and answer their questions. And
Yeah.
like, I'll abide by the laws, and so you're not going to answer it.
Yeah, finite. I'm still there. I'm still with you. I like Jerome better too, but he's growing on me, so we'll see. All right, come on, buyers. I mean, I'm asking a lot of them, right? It's like, who's going to buy at the top of a move like this? They'd be silly to do so, but I want them to.
Not necessarily. If we're going higher, why not?
Yeah, if they think we're going higher, sure. I mean, they got that overnight high they can target right now, which is much higher than my 747. So come on, let's go.
Yeah, join the task force.
I don't know if I like this consolidation right up here.
I mean, that's what the 9 count says. That's one way to. Hey, it's better than a pullback. Because consolidation is calls being built for the next move.
Could be down to the downside though too.
Well, just don't talk about it. If you don't
We're
talk
pretty-
about it, it won't happen.
We're pretty extended. Did we get overbought on your? Yeah, we did. Look at that big red zone on your chart.
That's just short-term overbought. That's nothing. We can go back through it. That's just for a little counter trend scalp back the other way. 5 to 10 points. How many did we get?
Yeah, but now I got Eric
15?
ringing through. I got Eric ringing through my ears.
Oh, look, see, you're good. It's gonna break out. What are you trying to get out at?
747.
Nah, you got this.
Oh!
10 more
Buyers.
points. 10 more points.
Buyers. Oh, they kicked in pretty heavy there, but then they gave up. Come on. Oh, come on.
So I hate that last little bit. I probably would have closed it right there. Get the big push going up.
Yeah,
I'm going to get out a little bit early, but
45, 45, 40, 46. Oh, come on.
There
Yeah, target filled, baby.
how many did you get?
Yeah.
Hey, look.
1448. Let's go.
Hey, now you need to make sure you don't get too crazy with it. But
No, I'm done.
hey, 763. We break that. That validates that pattern on the 30-minute chart right here.
Yes, let's
That
go.
opens the door
baby.
to 958. When we break high today, it opens the door to 958.
958.
Yeah. What about ES? ES break the highs.
Let me see if I've got anything else up here.
76.27. 27 on the ES is a high.
I mean, the problem with me right now is that I'm definitely long biased. Buyers are in control of the price.
I'm long biased
action.
too.
But I'm not going to buy up here. That's the thing. So I need a good pullback, and we might not get one anytime soon. It's already 11 o'clock at night.
Yeah, I'm actually going to jump off here in a minute.
Yeah, dude, that was a banger of a trade. Hey, congrats to you folks that were in that one too, man. Good trade. Finite still aiming for 756. Let me look at my chart here.
What's the high of the day? High of the night is
763.
Hey, if we break
Yeah.
763, I'm really kicking myself. I didn't leave one micro on for a move, and I would have front ran this move if I was targeting it up here at 958. Probably try to get out around 900 just to front run it. That'd be a bang. Even from here, it's still a banger trade if it hits, but I I don't like it. I was already down. I was already in lower. I hate that. I should have left one on. I did what felt good, and that's usually the wrong thing to do.
Yeah, but you protected. I mean, hey, had you stayed in, we both would have lost that trade probably.
Oh yeah, I got out to help you out. So you guys split the difference with me.
Oh man. Hey, good job, Finite. 1300. I got
Nice.
1448. So
Yeah, nice.
we're doing
Good
good.
job.
We're killing it tonight.
You guys are killing it. And we're at the second deviation band on the ES, and NASDAQ have just a little bit more. 756 is the second deviation band. So do we start consolidating there, or do we start pulling back? Or maybe we just get to rip your face off right through it and just screw over all the shorts. Hey, oil's pulled back a little bit. Oil's back at 79s. Was at 80. It's hanging around 80.15 for a while. Every time I kept looking at the analyzer window.
Yeah. It's been range bound all night though. Tight little range.
Yeah. But look, we're kind of coming up. We do have that wick down there. I want to see what happens when Nikkei opens back up. HSI is at 457 points. Look, it's still going up. It's up 1.84%. I missed the opening on it.
Hold on. Grind in the moment's in from 649. Let me look at my... Dude, I don't know what kind of trading you do, but I'd be out of that bad boy. That's a big trade for me. Nice one.
Yeah, but some people go for 200-300 points. So it really just depends their style. Yeah, I have a separate data feed user.
That's 100 points. I'd take it just in case.
I can connect it through Ninja, but it's not as good. You can't get as far as way. So data comes through Ninja for level 2. You can't see as far way out, and it's not MBO data. So
that's right. You don't get the stop run, the iceberg stuff if you do that. So I just pay for Bookmap separately. Their data is pretty cheap, actually.
Yeah, but I pay for level 2 through Ninja, level 2 through Bookmap. Like
I feel like you don't even use the level 2 anymore on Ninja. You could probably get rid of that.
Keep forgetting.
Yeah.
I see a little message comes out in the month. Oh, your account has been debited. So they just take it right on my trading account.
Okay, Neo took profit. Good job. Congrats.
Oh, nice. Hey, good job, Neo.
Dude, it's amazing how it stopped right at 747. Like right at my target, it just stopped.
Oh, so what are you saying? You're manipulating the markets. We know who the master manipulator is now.
Sure.
So when you lose money, it's Jesse's fault. He's manipulating. He's pulling the strings.
Oh, there you go, Grind. That's a good idea. Just trail your stop. Trail it tight, and that's a banger trade. 100 points. I like it.
I think you might be able to get more, but maybe not.
Oh, your user's asking if you've got an affiliate code.
Yeah, use Mike 20.
Yeah, Mike 20.
Neil wants to befriend you.
Yeah, we got out at the same time, huh?
Might be trying to get a rip again. I want to see it break the high of the day.
That'd be nice. For me, on my charts, I have that marked as
I can't buy it the second deviation band though. Can't do it.
Yeah, no, can't.
It's asking for problems. Even though I think we might hit that target up there. So then the other demon on my shoulder is like, hey, do I just put a limit down there and send it? If it hits, I'll set the ATM up where it hits the target.
What you could do is to do a buy order at VWAP because we'll probably get a pullback there at some point tonight.
Well, I just attached the order to VWAP.
Yeah,
but then I don't know where the target would be in the right place.
That's
so I have to have a static order.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might just not do that. Actually, I might just call it. I don't think I'm gonna place any more trades, so yeah, I'll probably call it, guys. Get out of here. Go enjoy the last few moments of my birthday. And see you guys in the morning. Hope you guys come back. Join me tomorrow. We'll be streaming at 8 a.m. Probably going to do a power hour stream tomorrow as well, along with probably a nightly stream, which is crazy. I didn't want to do 3 streams a day. We've been doing that quite a bit.
It's fun, man. We love it.
We didn't do it today only because I was out in the e-foil, but I had to take a little time off. So, all right, guys. With that being said, take care. Smash the like button on the way out. I do truly appreciate it. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, guys. Take care.